Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo, where we want you to eat well, feel well, and to be in good health. So thank you for joining us today. We're making a delicious vegan banana bread, light, moist, delicious. The ingredients are 4 ripe bananas, half a cup of soy milk, a third of a cup of sunflower oil, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 teaspoons of vinegar, 3/4 of a cup sugar, half a teaspoon salt, 3 cups flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. First thing we're going to do is put the bananas in a bowl and mash them. Next we will add our sugar, then our vinegar. We'll also add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we're going to add the milk and the oil to the mixture. Now onto our spices, our nutmeg and our cinnamon. We're going to add a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, but you can adjust it according to your taste. To the mixture, we're going to add half a teaspoon of salt, and then we're going to whisk all of that mixture together really well until it's fully combined. To the mixture, we're going to add our dry ingredients, 3 cups of plain flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Stir the mixture together really well, being careful not to overmix it. In 2 well-oiled loaf tins, put your mixture and then put that in the oven for 45 minutes at gas mark 6 or 180 degrees Celsius, or make sure your skewer comes out clean. Here is the banana bread, the best ever banana bread you will taste. It is delicious. The right amount of sweetness, right amount of spices, it's moist and delicious. Oh, you've got to try this. It is good. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share.